Hi everyone, this is KP. Today I'm going to be demoing a new version of Hedera Wallet Snap. This is the version 0.5.0 where we put in a support for Hedera consensus service. So we're gonna interact with this new version and do lots of interesting things such as creating a new topic, updating a topic, submitting a message, deleting a topic, and then getting topic information. Alright, so first what I'm going to do is I already have a local instance of the Hedera Wallet Snap running, so I'm going to be connecting to this and installing it locally using this example website. So the same process as before, installing, it's the same, and you just follow along with the directions. Alright, first of all, let's just go ahead and interact with the very basic API that we have, which is the Hello API, just to make sure that the snap is working. It looks like it is working because we are getting this display message here. This is what's being triggered when I call the Hello API. Alright, so it looks like we have some HBAR to spend. So let's go ahead and go over to the first API, which is the create topic. So here I can put in a memo for the topic. Obviously it is optional, I don't need to, but I can. So I'm going to just have, I don't know, KP topic version 1. And for admin and submit key, it's up to you whether you want to have admin key and submit key, because if you don't have admin key, you will not be able to update the topic, and then if you don't have the submit key here, then you will not be able to submit the message. So for now, we'll just go ahead and use our existing public key of our account that's currently connected to call the for the admin key and the submit key, so we can use this account to make changes to call these other APIs here. Alright, so let's go ahead and create the topic. So we'll let that go through. Here it'll ask, it'll basically show you the memo, the admin key, the submit key, create a new topic. Okay, I'm going to approve it. Once this is done, we have our topic ID. So let's go ahead and search to see whether that is created. It looks like it's created successfully. We have the KP topic version 1, which we just created. We have the admin key and the submit key, which are both my keys. Currently there are no messages, but we'll change that in a little bit. Alright, so we have the topic. So let's try to call another API, which is the update topic. So here, let's just try to change this from version 1 to version 2 so that we can see that it is working. So let's go ahead and update the topic here with the updated memo, in this case topic version 2. So let's go ahead and update that. Alright, that is successful. Now let's go ahead and refresh this page. Now it will tell me that the memo is updated to say version 2. So it looks like that API is also working. Now let's go ahead and start submitting some message. So I'll just do message number 1, I guess, over here. I'll just message 1. So this is a very simple message that I'm sending here. So it's gonna call a submit API here, and it's basically I'm only able to do this because I initially set the submit key to be my own account public key. So alright, so that is successful. So let's go ahead and see if this is here. Alright, there you go. So our first message is called message 1. So it looks like that's working, so we can see here on the Explorer. Alright, so let's go ahead and actually let's go ahead and I'll come back to this, but let's go ahead and try to retrieve the topic info. So basically some of the properties of the topic. So there is an API for that. For this, it is a query that needs to be called, so you're basically paying to the node provider here for the query so that we can get this information. So this is we're basically getting this information from on-chain directly. That's why we're paying the information. We're paying for the information. Alright, so KP topic version 2 running hash is this. We get there's only one message here on this topic, so that's why there's only one sequence number. Expiration time, admin key, submit key, blah blah blah. ledger ID is testnet. All right, let's go ahead and try to get another message in. So let's go ahead and do message 2 for the topic. All right, message 2, I'm going to approve. Let's go ahead and submit that message. All right, that is submitted. So let's go ahead and see. Whoops, it may take some time here. So, oh, I am on the wrong page. Let me go back to this. All right, we have message 1, message 2, message 1, message 2. So we have 2 of these messages. So let's go ahead and try to get the topic info one more time and see what happens. All right, let's go ahead and approve it. Now we have 2 sequence numbers. Those are the number of messages that are in this, and you know, everything else remains pretty much the same, I guess. But yeah, that's how you can call this the get topic information. Now let's go ahead and try to get the messages. So here I can put in a sequence number. So I have 2 sequences, sequence numbers, 1 or 2. But if I don't put in anything, it'll basically retrieve all of the sequence numbers. So let's just go ahead and try doing that first. So what this is doing is it's actually, you know, this information is not stored on chain. This is on Hedera Mirror nodes. So this API in the background, it's basically interacting with the Hedera Mirror nodes to retrieve this information. That's why it's completely free. So here we can see, you know, this is the initial. Sorry, we have 2 sequence numbers here, messages, I guess. First one is this, sequence number 1, sequence number 2. We see everything looks pretty much exactly what we expect it to look. Yeah. All right. You do see here that this is basically not our actual text string, but looks like this is a bunch of bytes that just got converted to string. Anyways, so let's go ahead and try to just get the sequence number for 1, and then let's see if we can get it. All right, so we are able to get the sequence number 1. So it looks like that is working. Now there's one more API that we need to show. So let's see if we can delete this topic. So here we currently have everything working. We have 2 sequence numbers. Let's go ahead and try to delete the topic. All right, let's go ahead and delete it. All right, so it looks like that's deleted. So if I were to refresh this page, it says topic is deleted. Even if that will, you know, the information will still remain on chain, we can no longer send any messages to this topic after it's deleted. So let's go ahead and try to get this. So let's go ahead and try to submit this topic to this topic with another message. It will most likely fail. There you go. It failed because this topic does not exist anymore. All right, well, that's about it. So we didn't show like other ways how you can use not your MetaMask account, but like external account to do this exact same thing, which you could totally do it. If you look at the previous videos, watch the previous videos, you can basically call any API of the Snap using an external account, and that's basically supported right out of the box. Anyways, that's it for the demo. So if you have any questions, just let us know. Have a good day.